Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're getting our spring garden all ready for the year. As you can see, last year we used these 15-gallon pots, fiber pots, and we had really good luck with them. One big problem we had though is between the sandy soil and these fiber pots, we had to water every single day, and that was a pain in the rear. So we have two fixes for that this year. One, we're gonna mix in some peat moss. You can get that from your hardware store really cheap. And what that stuff does is really soaks up a whole lot of water. And because I'm mixing it through the whole pot, it's really gonna help that whole pot maintain water. And then two, we'll show you in the next video, we're actually setting up a drip irrigation system. All right, first things first, I'm just gonna scrape off that little layer of mulch from last year and toss it on the mulch. Grab the pot by both handles, so it doesn't break. And then you have to beat the bottom of these pots a little bit. Excuse me, baby. To get the old dirt out, because it compacted in the bottom a little bit. All right. And you can see these things still work just like they did last year. There's no holes or nothing like that. And if there's any little leftover root matter in there, that's good. That's just going to act as a natural fertilizer. I'm going to break up anything that was in there from last year and get rid of any bigger sticks. All right, you can see this soil from last year. It's actually really good soil, but there's a lot of sand in it. And depending on your climate, that's a good thing. But for us, it drained too quickly. So we're going to throw some peat moss in there. Excuse me. All right, and before I mix all this in together, I'm gonna use just a little bit of this 13-13-13 fertilizer, and we're just gonna sprinkle it all over the top, and we're gonna try to mix that in as evenly as possible. Less is more here, especially with 13-13, because you'll burn your seedlings if you put too much. Next, we're gonna put this peat moss in there, and you could use as much as or as little as you want, really, because you can grow in just straight peat moss if you really desired. Our second helper is coming. All right, this peat moss comes pretty compacted, but if you take a little spade like this, a little garden shovel, it breaks up nice and easy. And we're gonna put quite a bit in here, about that much. We really want the soil to hold water. And now we're gonna mix it all up. All right, now that we got everything all mixed up, we'll put it back in this pot. And you can see how nice this stuff turned out. This is gonna grow really, really well this year. It really helps if you get your infant children to help you. It's free labor. All right, well my free labor is finishing up the last part. Good job. You can see we got this row of 5 all filled back up with really good loose soil, and we have about 1 million more to do. So I'll show you all in the next video how we're going to do a drip irrigation system. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.